Hey everyone, so I got a rotation sensor connected to an ESP12E module, ESP8266 development board, right? And that's connected to an LED. So we're going to control the LED with the rotation sensor, right? This is the max value at 255 for the LED, and this is a zero value, the LED. So the LED, you know, when the LED receives a value of 255, it's max. When the LED receives a value of 0, you know, it's nothing, right? So that's just what the LED operates on, and the rotation sensor operates generally from a range of, well, the one I have, it's supposed to be from 0 to 1024, but there was kind of a calibration issue, so you know, I put in the mapping. So okay, so let me explain this. The map function, we're mapping from the set of numbers 5 to 1024 to 0 to 255. So that means a 5 is actually a 0, and you know, in between the middle of 5 and 1024 is the middle of 0 and 255, and 1024 represents 255. So we're just mapping those two numbers together, right? And the reason why, you might be wondering why I'm putting a 5 there instead of a 0, right, is because there's a calibration issue on just the one I happen to have right now, right? But I mean, it's not a big deal, right? I can still control it, and I can show you in the serial monitor. Right now it's a 0, right? I'm showing the brightness as 0, right? And you can see I'm taking it to the max, and it's still showing a 0. Now if I increase it, right, it's gonna increase gradually, and it's gonna trigger the LED, right? If I keep increasing it, right, to the max value, it's 255, and you know, you can see it gradually decreases and increases in the serial monitor. And just in case you're wondering what the serial monitor is, it's the serial monitor is which is like this window right here, right? And how you can open that is with this magnifying glass in the Arduino IDE, and that shows you the communication between your device, your hardware, right? And you have to make sure you're at the same baud rate and the same serial port baud rate. So this is 115200. That's what we got here, 115200, right? So yeah, if you want more information on you know, more details of this code and how I did it, right, check out this website, joebueller.com, and check out this post, and you should be able to find it there. And I'll just quickly go over the schematic, right? We got the LED connected to ground, and the LED is also connected to D2, right? And one sec. Yeah, there we go. And then we also got A0, right? A0 is connected to the sensor right here, right? And oh right, I should mention this. So this is the pinout, right, of the ESP12E development board, and you notice that right here, A0, that's an analog to digital converter, right? So it's taking an analog input and it's converting it to a digital signal so the microcontroller can use, so the ESP8266 can use it, right? And that's what we're getting. Because I actually, if you try to put this into like a non-ADC, it won't work, because I tried that. I tried putting into like a non-ADC pin, like let's say, I don't know, like D3, right? D3 is not ADC, right? So instead of like getting the full range that I was getting, right, like I was only getting like a 0 or 1. It was only reading a digital interpretation from the input. So yeah, that's why you should check your pinout, especially if you're dealing with analog signals, or you know, any other special kind of protocols, so or requirements, right? So yeah, check out this post, and I'll post more details on it. All right, have a good one.